I restart the computer, I turn it off and turn it on again. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel English Worrid.
Hi, friends. We're so happy to see you here today.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack.
Today we have a fun conversation for you.
Yes, we will talk about modern technology.
Technology is everywhere in our lives, right?
That's right. Phones, computers, apps. We use them every day.
So today you will learn how to talk about technology in English.
Before we start, please hit the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
Let's go. Smartphones. Hey Jack, I see you have a new phone.
Yes, Sarah, I bought it last week. It's really nice.
Wow, it looks great. Is it a smartphone?
Yes, it's a smartphone. I can do many things with it.
Like what? What can you do?
Well, I can call people. I can send messages.
That's normal, right? Every phone can do that.
True. But I can also take photos and videos.
Oh, I love taking photos. How's the camera? And
The camera is very good. The photos are clear and beautiful.
nice. What else can you do with your phone?
I can listen to music. I can watch videos on YouTube.
Me too. I watch videos every day.
And I can use apps. Many, many apps.
Apps are very useful. Which apps do you use?
I use WhatsApp to chat with my friends.
Yes, WhatsApp is very popular.
I also use Instagram to share my photos.
Oh, I like Instagram too.
And I use Google Maps when I travel.
Google Maps is amazing. It helps you find places, right?
Exactly. It shows me the way. I never get lost now.
To camera. Okay, friends, let's practice together.
Yes, repeat after us. Ready?
I have a smartphone.
Pause for 3 seconds. Good.
I can take photos.
Pause for 3 seconds. Excellent.
I use apps every day.
Pause for 3 seconds. Perfect.
Now write in the comments. What apps do you use?
Tell us. We want to know.
The internet.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Do you use the internet a lot?
Oh, yes. I use the internet every single day.
Me too. The internet is so important now.
I agree. I can't imagine life without the internet.
What do you do online on the internet?
Well, I check my email every morning.
Email is important for work, right?
Yes. I receive messages from my boss and my colleagues.
I see. What else do you do?
I browse websites. I read the news.
Oh, you read the news online?
Yes. It's fast and easy. I know what's happening in the world.
That's good. Do you watch videos online?
Of course. I watch YouTube videos like this one.
Yes. YouTube is great for learning English.
Exactly. And I also use social media.
Social media, like what?
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I follow my friends.
You can see what your friends are doing, right?
Yes. I can see their photos and their posts.
That's fun. And you can comment on their posts,
Right. We can stay connected with friends and family.
even if they live far away.
Yes. My sister lives in another country. We chat online every week.
That's wonderful. The internet connects people.
It really does.
All right, everyone. Practice time again.
Say it with us, nice and slow.
I use the internet every day.
Great job.
I check my email.
Very good.
I watch videos online.
Fantastic.
Now answer this question. How many hours do you use the internet per day?
Write your answer in the comments below. Computers and laptops. Jack, do you have a computer at home?
Yes, I do. I have a laptop.
A laptop? That's a portable computer, right?
Exactly. I can carry it anywhere. It's not heavy.
That's convenient. I have a desktop computer.
A desktop? That's a big computer on a desk?
Yes, it stays in one place. I use it for work.
I see. What do you use your computer for?
I use it for many things. I write documents.
Documents for work?
Yes, reports, letters, presentations. I type a lot.
Do you use Microsoft Word?
Yes, Word is very useful for writing.
I use it too. And what about Excel?
Oh, yes. I use Excel for numbers and data.
Excel is good for organizing information, right?
Exactly. It makes work easier.
Do you use your computer for fun too?
Of course. I watch movies and series.
On Netflix?
Yes. Netflix, Amazon Prime. I love streaming.
Me too. I watch shows every evening.
It's so relaxing after work.
I also play games on my laptop sometimes.
Oh, you play computer games?
Yes, just simple games. It's fun.
That sounds nice. Computers are really useful.
For work and for fun.
I agree. Let's practice some vocabulary.
Listen and repeat. Ready?
Computer,
Pause for 3 seconds.
laptop,
Pause for 3 seconds.
keyboard,
Pause for 3 seconds.
mouse,
Pause for 3 seconds.
screen.
Pause for 3 seconds.
Excellent pronunciation, everyone.
You're doing great.
Challenges with technology.
Sarah, can I tell you something? Sure. What is it?
Really? What problems do you have?
Well, sometimes my internet is slow.
Oh, that's annoying. Slow internet is frustrating.
Yes. I try to watch a video, but it stops and loads.
I understand. That happens to me too sometimes.
And sometimes I forget my password.
Oh no, passwords are hard to remember.
I have so many passwords: email, bank, social media.
I know. It's confusing. Do you write them down?
No, I try to remember. But sometimes I forget.
You can use a password manager. It's an app.
A password manager?
Yes, it remembers all your passwords for you.
Oh, that's helpful. I should try that. It makes life easier. What problems do you have with technology?
Sometimes my phone battery dies quickly.
The battery runs out fast?
Yes, I need to charge it many times a day.
That's not good. Maybe you use too many apps?
Probably. I use my phone a lot.
We all do. Phones are important now.
And sometimes my computer freezes.
It freezes? What does that mean?
It stops working. I can't click anything.
Oh, that's a problem. What do you do?
I restart the computer. I turn it off and turn it on again.
Does that work?
Usually, yes. It's a simple solution.
Good to know.
Friends, let's practice some useful phrases.
These are important when you have technology problems.
Repeat after me. My internet is slow.
Pause for 3 seconds.
I forgot my password.
Pause for 3 seconds.
My battery is low.
Pause for 3 seconds.
My computer doesn't work.
Pause for 3 seconds.
Perfect. Now you can explain your technology problems.
Very useful sentences. Technology in the future. Sarah, what do you think about future technology?
Future technology? You mean in the future?
Yes. How will technology change?
That's interesting. I think everything will be smarter.
Smarter? Like artificial intelligence?
Yes, AI will help us with many things.
What things?
Maybe robots will clean our houses.
That would be nice. I don't like cleaning.
Me neither. A robot can do it for us.
And maybe cars will drive themselves.
Self-driving cars, that's already happening now.
True, but in the future, all cars will be automatic.
We won't need to drive. We can relax in the car.
That sounds wonderful.
What else? Maybe we can work from home more.
Yes. With computers and the internet, we don't need an office.
We can have meetings online with video calls.
Like Zoom or Skype.
Exactly. Technology makes work flexible.
That's true. But Sarah, is technology always good?
Good question. Technology is helpful, but
But what?
we need balance. We shouldn't use technology too much.
You mean we should spend time with real people?
Yes, face to face. Not just through screens.
I agree. Real conversations are important.
And we should go outside, enjoy nature.
Not just stay inside with our phones.
Exactly. Technology is a tool. We must use it wisely.
Very wise words, Sarah.
Thank you.
Okay, friends, one more practice.
Let's practice talking about the future.
In the future, robots will help us.
Pause for 3 seconds.
Technology will be smarter.
Pause for 3 seconds.
We will work from home more.
Pause for 3 seconds.
Great job, everyone.
Well, Jack, that was a great conversation. Yes, we talked about so many things. Smartphones, internet, computers,
And problems with technology.
and the future of technology.
Friends, we hope you learned something today.
Now you can talk about technology in English.
Remember to practice every day.
Use these words and sentences in real life.
Talk with your friends about technology.
And before you go,
Please like this video if you enjoyed it.
give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
Click the bell icon to get notifications.
We make new videos every week.
And don't forget to leave a comment.
Tell us, what's your favorite piece of technology?
Is it your phone, your computer, your TV?
Write in the comments. We read all of them.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, friends.
Keep learning English. You can do it.
Keep learning English. You can do it.